Hello guys! Come on, hello. Hello guys. So, itatry namin ito guys. So, ang ano ni kaya ma?
Sausage bread na.
Sausage bread siya guys. Try natin ito guys.
Sausage bread.
Ito may sausage. Ay, may sausage siya guys. So, try
Sausage
natin.
bread.
Ipili naman yan. Uy, hindi ko gusto.
Masarap yan,
Ang
Ben.
kano, yun. Bilis eh.
Oh.
Wait lang guys. Pagkanya pa tayo. So guys. Yung ipon, yung ganito.
Kanin na.
Ipon. Tapos ito. Tap na guys.
Ito po, sausage bread.
Ay, hindi na yan. Ito yung sausage bread. Kakainin natin ito. Try natin to. Dalawa tayo. Kaya maganda ka na. Kung baka.
Sausage bread.
Masarap, di ba ito man? Eh, maganda ka na. Baka masarap to. Hindi. May kamatis. Parang siyang may kamatis. Oh. Sausage, may kamatis. Pwede rin naman yun. Hindi mahagis yun. Hindi magmuna sa vlog mo. Ay, hindi magmuna sa vlog. Ma, hindi ko mabuksan. Ambe?
Nagigisian.
Nakapag-gisian. So guys, gisian. Uy! Ang laki ng gisian. So, itry namin guys. Try mo muna. Tapos pakagatry. So guys, may sausage talaga. So kaya ito na lang yung akin. Pero siya guys. Kasi guys, pizza.
Sana
Parang
mukha
pizza.
na, guys.
Parang siyang pizza.
Siyempre, sausage
So,
bread.
guys, Parang siyang pizza guys. So try natin. Siya na nakatry guys. Try mo nga. Try mo nga ito. Hindi yan. Pakagat rin, pakagat.
May sausage sa loob.
Patingin na guys. Wala, kadena ba? Masarap. Guys, ako rin. Try ko rin guys. Ayan guys. Parang siyang pizza. Yung pagkagano. Hindi lang siya ano. Good siya. Parang siyang pizza. Prince Bakery ito man oh. Prince Bakery, baka naman.
Prince Baker.
Prince Baker. Naman.
Punto.
Ito yung sausage nyo guys. Yan. Yung sausage nyo. Ito siya. Tawag pizza na pizza. Ha? Hindi naman. May bell pepper? May bell pepper. May bell pepper na? Oh? Nakagat ko man ng bell pepper. Ah? May bell pepper sa guys.
Ang ano nyo to guys ay sinigang mix, pamintaluya, bawang sibuyas, at suka.
Alright, alright. Phoebe Markins and we were 16. We want the same things. We dream the same dream. Pasaan na ba lang? Dapat sulo mo. Patlawa ko pa. Ay, dapat sulo mo. Phoebe Markins na. 3, 2, 1.
Ano mo yung pagkaras, B? Magtakot tayo ba sa sabana? Ang katong...
Dungan ta na nga.
Mahipakaras?
Kung kabalo ka nung sina.
Baylo, orbaw, kung ano yun.
She be my queen, since we were 16. We want the same dreams, we dream the same things. Ay, no? Nga na, suluan tang Phoebe Markins. Dapat sulo mo akong salaka. Daog ko.
Aklulod.
3, 2, 1, go. She be my queen, oy, diaon ka. Luat. 3, 2, tuduwa ba na no? She be my queen, since we were 16. We same dream. We dream the same thing. Alright. Oh, yeah. What? What? Ay, si kanal, what? She be my queen since we were 16. No, she be my queen since we were 16. We want the same things, we dream the same dreams. Alright. Alright. I know.
I got it.
I know. She still want me. Her mom's called me son. Her mom's called me son. Her mom's called me love. Her dad called me son. Alright. Alright.
Alright.
I know. For sure. Everybody wanna steal my girl. Everybody wanna take her heart away. Couple billions in a whole wide world. She belongs to me. Una ka! Una ka! Ikaw una. Ikaw una kanta, tapos ako. Sunod. Ano ta? Ikaw na. 3, 2, 1, go! Kanta na. Kanta na. Yan na, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Una. Una. She my queens and she my queens and we were 16. We want the same things. We dream the same dreams. Alright. Alright. I got it all cause I got it all cause she's the one her mom calls me love, her dad calls me son. Alright. I know. For sure. Everybody wanna steal my girl. Everybody wanna take her heart away. Couple billions in a whole wide world. She belongs to me. Oh yeah. Ikaw naman da. Oh yeah. Aba, pwede yan. Sige na, talitan ko. Muna ka man, no? Talitan ko. No.
Usig dyan ba niya?
Ganon. Ano ko yan? Ito. Ito, 1, go. Mas ka naman kinagaw na. Go.
Giving my princess sweet.
Doon. Yung kanta? Ito, 1, go. She my queen since we were 16. We have the same things, we dream the same dreams. Alright. I got it all cause she's the one. Her mom's called me love. Her mom's called me love. Her dad called me son. Alright. I know. For sure. Everybody wanna steal my girl. Everybody wanna take her heart away. Couple billions in a whole wide world. Cause she belongs to me. Tango. Ito sa'yo. Wak. Oh. Diba? Hindi siya guys. Ay, sarapan ko lang dito guys. Yung sausage. Sausage bread daw, pero may bell pepper. May cheese. Pag may tomato sauce. Pwede din sausage bread. Pero may sausage siya, guys, ha? Wala ginawa. 3, 2, 1, go. Munta muna din ako. Tapos, hindi, doon ka po. Meron din para bakit ginawa yung mga. Run, go.
May ginawa ka na, hindi ka na.
Wait ka, what? Basta may ginawa. Hindi na pagkapte.
Ay. Why na?
Yeah, okay mo na.
Sige na.
Ay, ginawa man din na, ah. No, no. Umusok mo kaya?